Hello everyone, this is Nikhil here and welcome to the very first video on my YouTube channel. Now I'm not really a camera person, so if I do make some mistakes along the way, do excuse me on that. Now personally speaking, I love talking about finance, I love talking about money management, wealth, how to invest, and these are few topics which me and my colleagues we discuss quite a lot, either at work or back at home itself. Now, looking back at my school or my college life, wealth was never really considered as a priority. We were never really taught on how to invest or what's the difference between assets and liabilities, how does the tax structure in India work, or what are the basic criteria banks look before actually offering you a loan, or as simple as why is your credit score super important. These are never really taught to us, and financial knowledge is super important in today's generation. If you do agree with it, make sure that you hit the like button as well. Now, post my graduation, it took me a couple of years to actually understand these concepts, and I'm still learning. I either attend seminars or I read books or do my research online. And I just decided why not share this knowledge? And that's the goal of this channel, to actually provide a financial knowledge to today's youth, which schools and colleges don't really provide. So with that said, you guys, thank you for watching this. I really appreciate it. If you think this particular channel can provide you knowledge in any aspect, even in the smallest way, make sure that you subscribe. I would really appreciate all the support. If there is any particular topic which you would want me to create a video on, just drop them in the comment section below or drop me a message on my Instagram and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. So with that said, see you all next time.